In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the GTA 6 pre-order not working on PS5. Whether the pre-order button just isn't there, your payment keeps getting declined, or you've paid and the game still isn't showing in your library, there's a specific cause behind each one of those. Let's work through them from the quickest to the most involved. First things first, let's rule out the single most common reason, because it catches an enormous number of people, and it isn't a fault at all. Grand Theft Auto 6 is a PlayStation 5 exclusive. There is no PlayStation 4 version, not at launch and not announced at all, so if you're browsing the store on a PS4, the listing will show you the game and refuse to sell it to you, and no amount of troubleshooting will change that. Go ahead and check which console you're actually signed in on, and if it's a PS4, that's your answer right there. Assuming you're on a PS5, the next thing to check is your account region. Your PSN account is registered to a specific country, and that registration decides which storefront you're shopping in. If your account country doesn't match the card or PayPal account you're paying with, PlayStation will decline the transaction and give you a fairly unhelpful error. Head into Settings, then Users and Accounts, then Account, and open Account Information to see which country your account is registered to. If there's a mismatch, the clean fix is to top up your PlayStation wallet using a gift card bought for that same region, then pay from your wallet balance instead of the card directly. That sidesteps the whole problem in about 2 minutes. If the region's fine and the payment is still failing, the culprit is often just a stale store cache. The PlayStation Store client on the console holds on to old data and gets stubborn, especially on a launch day when millions of people are hammering it at once. So go ahead and fully power the console down rather than putting it into rest mode. Leave it off for about 30 seconds, then boot it back up and try again. While you're at it, check for a system update under Settings, then System Software. An out-of-date console will throw store errors that look like payment problems but aren't. Now, if the pre-order still refuses to go through on the console itself, try a completely different door into the same store. Open a browser on your phone or laptop, sign into your account at PlayStation.com, and place the pre-order from the web store instead. Or use the PlayStation app. It's the same purchase hitting the same account, but it routes around whatever the console client is choking on, and this works far more often than it has any right to. 2 more things worth checking. If you're on a child account or one with parental controls applied, monthly spending limits will block a purchase this size without ever telling you that's the reason, so the account holder will need to raise that limit in family management. And if you've bought a physical copy, remember those boxes contain a download code, not a disc. And on PS5, those codes are region locked, so a code bought in one country will simply refuse to redeem on an account registered to another. There's no workaround for that beyond buying from a retailer in your own region. Finally, the other version of this problem, you've successfully pre-ordered, but the game or the bonus content isn't showing up. That's almost always a license sync issue, rather than a lost order. Head into Settings, then Users and Accounts, then scroll to Other, and select Restore Licenses. Let it run, then restart the console. That refreshes everything your account owns and usually brings a missing pre-order straight back. If it doesn't, check the email receipt to confirm the order actually completed before contacting PlayStation support, because a failed payment can leave a pending charge on your card that looks exactly like a successful purchase for a couple of days. And there you have it. That's how to fix the GTA 6 pre-order not working on PS5. Confirm you're on a PS5 and not a PS4, match your account region to your payment method, power cycle the console, try the web store, and use Restore Licenses if the order went through but the game didn't appear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.